Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Galaxy Watch 6 and see what is inside the box and what you're going to get. So here at the back of the box you can see there is a seal. So if you are getting a new watch, make sure there is a seal. If there isn't a seal, that means it has already been opened, or it could be a non-genuine watch. So here I will open it. As well as the bottom as well, there is a seal at the bottom that you need to open it before you can actually open the cover. Alright, so once it is open, we can pull out the top cover. Now at the top here, there is a small box with instruction inside. So we will open that. So on this end here, then we put the one out. There is something here at the top as well. So you can hear there is something. I can open that. So just basically a user instruction, a small instruction. There is a box, has a charging cable in it. So here I can just pull it out. So this is the charger for the watch. Alright, so that's the charger right there, and inside the box you get the Galaxy Watch 6. This is the 20 mils wristband, and here it's brand new, hasn't been switched on or on. Even got a QR code at the back here with serial number on the sticker. And if you press on the power button, you should be able to switch it on. So here, if I press on it, this one here has been sitting in the box for a while. I'm surprised it still has some battery left. I still can power it up. And that's it. So that is everything you get in the box right there. On the wristband, there is a button. You can press on the button to allow you to remove the wristband. Otherwise, we can press on the button to put it back in. So it is now in place, and that's it. So your Galaxy Watch 6. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.